Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, I hope you are always fine and will be safe wherever you are. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Syahraini Harahap. I am a student of Basic Education Program in Postgraduate School University of Medan. In this occasion, due to COVID-19 pandemic, I would like to record my online presentation on 5th Annual International Seminar on Transformative Education and Educational Leadership 2020. My title paper is Development of Student Worksheets Based on Problem-Based Learning Model to Enhance the Ability of Student Critical Thinking for 7th grade in SMPN 41 Batam. The background of the study. Learning in the 2013 curriculum demands that students be able to find out for themselves and are required to be able to solve problems on their own, which aims to improve cognitive, affective, and psychomotoric abilities. The existence of social media will make it easier for people to spread news related to political issues. Civic subjects are important to broaden national and state insight and students' knowledge. The ability to think critical is one of the abilities developed in the 2013 curriculum through learning, and think critically is important for nowadays people. To instill this critical thinking ability, teachers are required to start implementing learning that leads the higher order thinking skills learning, which will then be shortened to higher order thinking skills according to Bloom's taxonomic thinking level. To enhance the ability of student critical thinking, teacher can adjust a study model with a student worksheet based on problem-based learning models. The indicators of critical thinking skills according to phase 1 are described with indicator description, which are described into this table 1. Number 1, indicators interpretation. Indicator description is understand the problems indicated. Second, analysis. Indicator description is identify the relationships between statements, questions, the concepts given in the problem. Third, evaluation. Indicator description is using the right strategy deep, complete, questions, complete, and correct. Fourth, inference. Indicator description is explain a conclusion from questions. Research methodology. This study is an educational research and development or R&D research. This study aims to develop problem-based learning based student worksheets in Class 7's SMPN 41 Batam. The development model used in this study is a 4D development model, which consists of 4 development stages, namely, first, define, second, design, third, develop, and fourth, disseminate. The data collection instrument used in this study was a validation team questionnaire, which aims to measure the validity of the developed student worksheets. In addition, practitioner questionnaires were used which aim to try out products in class. Research results. After the design of student worksheet based on problem-based learning model is carried out, a critical thinking ability test is conducted, which has been validated by experts in the field of civic subject. The data analysis on critical thinking skills is measured by means of tests. The results of grade 7 students' critical thinking skills at SMPN 41 Batam can be seen from the results of critical thinking skills tests, which are measured based on scoring guidelines for critical thinking skills tests. The results of students' critical thinking skills for per indicator can be seen in Table 1 below. This Table 1 shows us about critical thinking ability student per indicator. After doing a test, first, formulate problems. Presentation 75.25%, category high. Second indicator, giving arguments. Presentation 75%, category medium. Third indicator, perform deductions. Presentation 70%, category medium. Fourth indicator, perform induction. Presentation 70%, category medium. Fifth, conduct evaluation. Presentation 65%, category medium. Sixth, decide and implement. Presentation 55%, category low. And here we are in the last slide, which is conclusion. A first conclusion is students' critical thinking skills per indicator are spread into three categories: high, medium, and low. In this study, students with high critical thinking abilities are able to meet the criteria for all critical thinking indicators. But students with medium critical thinking skills only able to meet the indicators of conclusions and analyzing. But less of them also have the indicators of evaluating and conclusions. And the last is a student with a low critical thinking skills are able to meet the problem formulation indicators because students are only able to identify clearly given facts in the questions and are unable to meet the indicators of analyzing, evaluating, and drawing conclusions.